Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain what's random variable. Before understanding what's random variable, we need to understand what's a sample space. So, sample space is a set of possible outcomes of an experiment. So we do some experiments and this experiment has some outcomes, right? And these all outcomes is called sample space. For example, let's do with an experiment as tossing two coins. What will be the possible outcomes? It might be that in the first coin we get head, the second one turns to a tail. Or it might be reverse. It might be that both coins turn to be head or both of them turn to be tail, right? And these are possible outcomes that we can get out of this experiment. And this set is called sample space or omega. And each points in the set are called sample outcomes or realizations. But in econometrics or in statistics, we often want to work with numbers, right? And in that case, random variable helps us. So random variable is a numerical representation of those outcomes. We have some outcomes and random variable assigns number for this outcome. So basically, random variable, let's denote as x, is a mapping that takes element from omega and assign a real number. For example, let's work with the set. Let's again write this omega. Tail, tail, and head, tail. It's important to note that in order to assign a numerical value for these outcomes, we need first to define random variable. In this case, I define random variable as let random variable be defined as the number of heads in each outcome. This is my definition of random variable. It's how I define it. So now, let's assign the number for each point of the omega. X head, how many heads we have? It's 2. So random variable we get 2. X tail head, we have only one head. X tail tail, we don't have any heads. And X head tail, we have only one head. So as you see, we could numerically represent those outcomes. But of course, these numbers may change depending on your definition of random variable. For example, maybe you define random variable as a number of heads minus number of tails. In that case, you will get different numbers. But the basic idea is that it is a real valued random variable is a mapping from the sample space to the real valued numbers. So it is general definition of random variable. In case you have question, you can write in the comment below.